We have seen in our previous videos why Indian women are quitting their jobs and disappearing from the workforce. Do you know that in this hyper-connected world, where we have world-class search engines, resources and platforms, millions of women in India are still not getting enough opportunity to get back to work? What do women need to do to solve this? We at indePenn provide a 3-stage approach. Number 1, opportunity. Women need an opportunity to express their situation and understand their unique skills, to find an engagement that is suitable to their current life circumstance. At indePenn, we offer personalized guidance to every woman to shape her career goals by identifying and leveraging each unique skill set. Number 2, learning. Learning is a continuous process. If you are a woman returning to work after a career break, then learning can be a game changer for you. indePenn connects you to mentors who are subject matter experts in their field. They guide you in your specific domain, help you with interview preparations, and more. indePenn trains you for resume building, salary negotiation, and much more through our webinars and personalized coaching. And number 3, networking. We at indePenn connect you with relevant professionals who share their experience. The network enhances your access to multiple organizations where you can apply for a job. And our community can be your personalized go-to place where you can get every update to keep yourself job ready. Join indePenn and get everything you require for your journey back to work. Visit our website indepenn.com and unlock your opportunity of returning to work. Do sign up with us today.